Road trip. We're going on a road trip. Hey! Shenanigans starts.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So we've decided that we're going to be giving ourselves a little reward for all of the times we've been here and unable to do some of the things that we wanted to do. And so with my sister here, we've decided that we're going to go on another adventure. So we are going to go on a staycation and a sort of a city break. And so we're going to go to one of those Jamaican hot spots together and just have a nice, refreshing, relaxing weekend. And so for Eliona, it's a long weekend. So that means that we're able to make use of that time and get away and have some time together. So my sister and I can just reunite and catch up on some of the things that we've missed out on, whilst also having fun, because we haven't seen each other in several months now. And although we communicate most days, almost daily, it's still not the same. So we're going to be able to just chill, relax, and spend some quality time together. And it also gives auntie and niece some opportunity to just reconnect and get up to some of the things that they normally get up to together. So it's a wonderful opportunity this weekend that we're going to be able to spend time and doing things together that we want to do, you know, to make the most of the time that we have before she's going to be going back, so we can invest in quality experience together while she's here. And for us, we haven't gone a lot of places, and so we're just trying to set up our social calendar a little bit better now that we have some room to be able to do that, with most of the other settling in things sort of sorted and addressed now. And we can start to look at how life is going to be once we are settling and feel like we're settled a little bit here in Jamaica. So this weekend is going to be a weekend, you know. So I'm going to be showing you the footage of some of the experiences that we have as we take you along on this journey. You're going to be enjoying it as we go through this new found experience here in Jamaica.
We're in Montego Bay.
Yeah, we've arrived and everything. We've gone back out and gotten some food.
We got some late dinner.
So let's just show you this late dinner.
This is mine. I have 2 legs and a piece of a wing and some chips, 4 fries.
And this is mine. I have some chicken breasts and ribs and also some chips or fries. I haven't had chicken and fries or chicken and chips in quite a long time.
Me too.
So I'm going to indulge.
Even though I did that at school, I stopped buying it.
You used to? You haven't had it in a long time? Okay.
The price has gone up too far.
What, at school? So you don't...
And my taste buds just stopped liking anymore.
Okay. So you don't buy it anymore? Do you think you'll buy it again?
I'm too in love with cheese patty. As expensive as it is.
Is that the bit that you like now, cheese patty? Okay. Well, you indulge in something for a long time. After a while, your body don't want it anymore, and you change to something else. It's just part of it, and you just keep experimenting with your taste bud.
Okay.
Well, you cannot go on a city break in Jamaica without doing one of the things that are so commonly done in Jamaica. So, here we go. Jelly as a morning delicacy. Let's see how it goes. Let's just drink some of this. It's nice and refreshing. And it's sweet. Now it's finished, so now for the main course. I'm going to go and cut this and then get the flesh. Let's see. So that's this half, and I'm just going to scoop it out and have it. It's a piece that I've just taken off. It's a little bit harder than most people probably like their jelly, but I like mine like this. So I'm going to indulge. So I just scoop it up like that. Do you normally eat your jellyfish, or do you just drink the water? Or are you not really a jelly fan? Let us know in the comments below. I'm going to go enjoy my jelly. Well, guys, event number 2, when you're on a city break in JA. The next course of meal is here to be shown. Do you want to indulge and join me here?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so there we go.
Staycation.
Ooh, so look at what I've got. Look at it.
Yeah, see, it's easy, and the more you consciously remember.
Yeah, Itioti apple, Berry. Yep, so we're going to indulge, okay? We're going to have some of these now. Don't worry, we won't leave you out. We'll show you us doing that. So this is it now. I've had one of this the first day we landed in Jamaica, and I haven't had one again since. And it's really nice. So we'll make sure to share with you, okay? There you go. Good. So now we're going to have the ETOT one. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite. Good. So now we're all having some. It's a privilege to have you coming back with us each week and each episode. We are very grateful. We thank you for your support and for taking on this journey of adventure with us. We appreciate the fact that you spend time watching. We're reading your comments. And for those of you who are binge watching to catch up, we thank you. For those of you who comment and give us advice, we appreciate you. We're appreciating the interaction that's going on in the comment section. We thank you for those of you who've decided that you are becoming a tribe member and subscribing. We thank you for liking the videos and sharing them with your friends. And so we're grateful for that. Thank you. Thank you for staying with us today on another adventure. We appreciate every time that you give and commit to us, because we know the value of it, and these quality times that we spend together, albeit through the screen, is meaningful to us. And so we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now. Take care.